Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here doing my dining reservations. My window should have officially opened up. I do have a split stay. I did make one dining reservation just a couple of days ago for Disney Springs for Wine Bar George. Today are my main reservations. So I am looking to get Roundup Rodeo Barbecue. I'm looking to get the fireworks dessert party, and I'm looking to get Crystal Palace super early reservations so we could get into Magic Kingdom as early as possible. So it is currently 5:50, so I'm already in my Disney experience. I'm gonna click on make a reservation and see if my window is open and take it from there. I actually thought that my dining window was going to open up for my entire trip. I feel like I'm almost certain that when I had another split stay, I was able to book all my dining for both parts of the stay 60 days out, but this time it's like day by day and it just would not budge and it would not allow me to book. Here I am for the second morning this week trying to reserve all of my dining. Now I'm actually getting a completely black screen for the private browser and the regular browser. So let's hustle because it is 5:54. Let's see what's going on and if I can figure this out. It happens. Sometimes it definitely glitches, so you just gotta keep trying. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my phone because right now here nothing's working. Come on, Disney. You're making me nervous. But I have to be honest, all the time that I have tried to do dining for any of our vacations, I don't get lucky so easy. I really don't. Something never works all the time, and by the time you figure it out, it's literally like 6:05 and all of the reservations are gone. Okay, so I finally got to the reservations tab. It finally opened up, so I'm still blocked until my next window, so hopefully in the next 3 minutes it opens up and everything will be perfect. If I don't end up getting any of the 3 reservations that I really want, I will use the service. I think it's called Mouse Watcher or Mouse Dining. I think it's actually 2 different services, but I think I use the Mouse Watcher, which is essentially dining alert service. So you just pay a couple of dollars. Usually, I mean, the closer you are to your trip, the less it is. I think the max it could be $15 per reservation, just depending how far out you are. So you just plug in all your information, like who's going, I mean, how many people, lunch, breakfast, dinner, what restaurant. As soon as somebody drops that reservation, Mouse Dining or Mouse Watcher is going to send you an alert, and you have to hustle really quickly, log on and snag that reservation. And it seems like, oh my gosh, but if there's like 5,000 people wanting the same reservation, well, maybe not 5,000, but you know, a couple of hundred, trust me, I've gotten reservations and it worked out. Also, on the other hand, sometimes last minute reservations actually end up working out because people start canceling like 24 hours before. It's 6:21. Took me a solid 20 minutes to try to play with this. I was able to get a reservation, a lunch reservation for Roundup Rodeo Barbecue, which is great. I was able to get a very early reservation for Crystal Palace. It's at 8:05. I'm gonna go back into the system now and try to get it for 8 o'clock because I know when you're trying to enter Magic Kingdom just a little bit earlier, every 5 minutes really makes a big difference and they're gonna let you in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now for the dessert party, I wasn't able to secure that reservation. So one of 2 things are happening. Either there's no reservations left or the system is glitching, because right now I can't even get into the dining tab. Everything is white and the error message it was giving me. So I selected my date, I selected the time, you know, my party, and when I would go to check out, it is the card that is stored on my account, and I do have it with me just to make sure I'm not crazy, and it just would keep rejecting my card, saying like, we can't process your payment, we can't process your payment. So I'm already thinking like, oh my god, something happened to my card. So I log into my bank account, everything is perfect. I would log out, log back in, and it just would not process it. But then when I try to do it on my app on my phone, then it's telling me that there is no availability for pre and post fireworks dessert party. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes and see if anything changes, and then if not, then I'm just going to sign up for the dining alert and put the dessert party there and see what happens. In case anybody was wondering, if you are booking a dessert party, it is upfront cost, the same as for Cinderella's royal table, I think it's called. You have to pay upfront for the reservation. So for 3 of us, essentially 2 adults and a kid, it was going to be $257. Just so you know, you have to pay upfront for the fireworks dining reservation. So let me try this again and see if I can make some magic happen. No, it is not taking my card. I removed it, put it back. I don't know what's going on, but it is not taking my card whatsoever. So I think I'm just gonna maybe wait till 7 o'clock and give them a call and see if they could process it from their end. Annoying. I don't know. I really don't know. Everything looks absolutely fine. I don't know what's making my card, like I even have it right in front of me, not be able to be processed. But again, the error messages are different. The phone is saying that there's no availability for my date and time, but here it's allowing me to go through all the steps. But when it comes to payment, it literally says your card could not be processed. Please use another card. Oh gosh. So still absolutely no luck with trying to secure fireworks. I even used a different card. It's not working. I don't know. So it's 7 o'clock. Did I just say that it's 7 o'clock? And I'm gonna go ahead and call Disney and see if they could put it through their end. Otherwise, I guess if it doesn't work, then we're not going to the dessert party. I don't know what else to do because I don't have any other cards, and this is just very strange. But my train of thought is that maybe there's just no reservations available. It's 7:20. I just got off the phone with Disney. I had a wonderful cast member, and unfortunately everything is sold out. There's no pre-party, there's no post-party, and there is no treats and seats, so seats and treats. None of the dessert parties are available. So I'm gonna go to the mouse watcher and set up a dining alert, and I'll let you guys know what it's gonna cost me to do it right now, essentially 60 days out. Okay, I know this is a terrible view, but this is the one I just wanted to show you quickly. So it is a mouse watcher. So you will go right here and you will find your restaurant, or right here is the dessert party, the pre-party. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and I have 3 people, and it's gonna cost me $15. Okay, so this is how it works. This is what the site looks like, and you just go ahead and continue, and you put in your information, and make sure that you are putting your email and your phone number, so that way you can get the text message. If maybe you're not checking your email all the time, but at least you'll have, you know, your phone number, and that way once the text message comes through, you'll be able to get on the site really quick and snag that reservation. Okay, so I set up the alert, and I instantly got a notification, and it says, you know, manage your alerts. So it gives you the website to mousewatcher.com. Notify you when reservations are found at Magic Kingdom Fireworks Dessert Party. And that's it. And I also got a notification. I'll also get an email confirmation. And so that transaction was $15. The closer you get to your date that you're looking for a reservation, it's like less expensive. There were times where I paid like $5, $6. So I think I'm going to go ahead and reserve another one for post party post fireworks, so that way I have a better chance of securing this reservation. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was like a real-time booking a dining and having like 1,000,001 issues. As I've mentioned earlier in my video, I never have smooth sailing when it comes to dining reservations. Today definitely was no different. I've been up since 5:30 and it's 7:33 and I just finished making my dining alert with Mouse Watcher. Otherwise, not too bad. I got everything that I wanted. Roundup Rodeo Barbecue, which I'm so excited to try, Crystal Palace, Wine Bar George, and now I just have to get this dessert party reservation. But I definitely think what messed me up, and this is kind of like, I guess, a tip for anyone booking. Yes, it's great when you have split stays, but unfortunately, you know, your reservations, instead of opening up for an entire week or the length of your stay, so say if you're going to be in Disney World for 6 days, so if you had one hotel resort reservation, so that your whole 6 days would open up, right? If you have a split stay, only going to open up in parts, so it opened up for the first 3 days and then the next 3 days. I think the people who had the whole week open, for me, definitely had the advantage of booking their reservations and getting, you know, better choice. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions in regards to Mouse Watcher or Disney dining reservations or the dessert party, because we've been, it's amazing, definitely leave your comment down below and I'll see you real soon. Bye.